Good morning, everybody. It's Natalie. I'm coming to you live from Ashland. I'm a somatic intuitive healer and a self-relationship spiritual mentor. And I'm sitting here wanting to speak to you. I'm just like so relieved and so refreshed and just wanting to share this aha about how to do life with ease. And it all stems from yesterday's experience where I was just totally blissed out, like in this place of like just needing like really deep rest, calling in like just ultimate rest. Hi, Daria. Thanks for joining. And I had like this really restful day. And then in the later portion of the day, I'm like, okay, I meditated, I took a nap. It was just such a juicy day. And I left the house and maybe I wasn't so grounded because I ended up losing my car key. I've never lost my car key. Like, this is just like a total first for me. And I was like, wow, this just doesn't feel good. This is like this really like, I am lost. I feel terrified, like I'm terrified and like, what am I really going to do here? And then I was like, well, worst case scenario, it's okay. First of all, I'm going to walk home, number one. Number two, I'm not stranded. I'm not going to be doing this by myself. I will get the support that I need. If need be, I'll have a brand new key made at the car dealership. Like, there's always a way. And so even though it was interesting and why I'm speaking to you about how to do life with ease, because I had a choice last night. I could have gotten into this like total funk and been like putting myself down, or I could just stay in that state of ease, which is where I was already, right? Why leave that state? That state is really serving. That state is really nourishing. That state is calming. That state is soothing. That state is like really filling up my little girl inside of me. So I wanted to stay there. So I was going to stay there regardless of what the circumstances were. And this morning, I'm like, okay, just do little things here, get on a call, did an amazing interview speaking about trusting your intuition. Oh, so good. And I was like, okay, so I'm gonna go and I'm gonna find my key. I'm like, what, again, worst case scenario? Not really a worst case scenario anymore. So how to do life with ease is finding that softening inside of your heart, no matter how intense you might be feeling, no matter how much anxiety might show up, that you know you can still hold and treasure that sweet spot inside of you. You know, we all have access to it no matter what. So this morning, I came out, just now took my walk, and I started to call in my guides. How easy is that? Guides that are unknown and known, and just was like, I'm just going to feel you. I'm going to feel your presence. I'm going to raise my vibration. How to do life with ease. Raise your vibration, raise your frequency so that you can be met, so that you can be supported, so that you can be heard, so that you can be validated, so that you can be appreciated. I kid you not, less than 5 minutes later, I go into one of the stores that I was at, I'm just like, just so easy. And this woman's like, oh, there you are. I was just talking with you, talking about how some woman left her key, and I hope that she comes in to find it. And there it was. So, moral of the story, really zoom in and focus on how much more you can do your life with ease. And that even when you think life is overwhelming, life is hard, life is challenging, is that a thought? Is that thought worth holding on to? Is that thought even true? Does that thought pertain to present time right now? It's everything. It really is everything. And when I get really clear with myself, I used to spend a lot of time, a lot of energy on how hard life is, and like life is overwhelming, and like I don't know if I can handle it, I don't know if I can do it. And now I'm like, wow, like I really am getting this clarity. It's like I just get to keep showing up, and I get to keep choosing ease over and over and over again, no matter how much I'm wanting to perhaps resist it. Like, oh, I get to go right back to ease. And when I stay in that place of ease, oh my gosh, all kinds of magic happens for me. And I feel really calm inside. I want to really invite that into you, that the more you stay in that ease, the more you can access that calm, and the more that you can step into your intuition, which comes in so clear when you allow it. Meaning, no more fighting yourself, no more trying to play tug of war with yourself. We're not in a power struggle. We're here to live with total ease, total peace, total harmony, so that you can receive all of who you are and really enjoy that calm, peaceful, sweet, sweet, sweet life that's waiting for you. It's waiting for you to jump on in. I love you guys. Have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye.